the WordPress theme, and now I'm gonna creating the WordPress theme and how to convert HTML files to WordPress themes. Let's go. First, you have to be check XAMPP server is open, and now Apache MySQL have to be start, and then you have to be which files you have to be converted in WordPress theme. So copy and then paste WordPress theme folder. So before I am talking about the restaurant theme, and now I am converting the HTML files to WordPress theme. So first of all, I have to copy the HTML template, and I am copying the HTML template and then paste the themes folder, and then now check the appearance themes, the files in this there, but if you see we have no image and now we have no details. So let's go how to create the details and how to set up the image. But I have to something show you before if you creating the themes. Right now the WordPress said the themes broken because if you want to convert the files in WordPress theme, and then you have to be create index.php and style.css, that is the mandatory files, and it's have to be in the themes folder. And then now I am creating. Let's go. Before I open the themes folder in open with code editor, and then now in this HTML file to convert in PHP and delete the HTML and then create and write the PHP, and then if you see our code has now index.php. If you see first of all our file the themes we didn't see because of we have to be create style.css, and now right now I am creating the style.css. If you see right now, yeah, there are no alert messages and our themes is ready to activate the as a theme. So but first of all we have to be need a screenshot, that is the image the themes. So that's why I am create a image which name is screenshot.png. So let's well I have created the image and now save. In the folder, so that's why I am saving the image in the delete folder, and the image name should have to be screenshot dot png. Well, if we see, we have gotten the image. So we see that we have no details, but if we see the 2021, the theme has name, author, and then description and text. So let's go to the creating the details. So for this I am copying the details in style.css on 2020 files. So copy and then paste, but don't you copy the files because I know the details of the text, but you don't know. If you don't know, then don't copy. If you know, then copy as you wish. So I hope you know the basics theme development, so that's why you are watching the tutorial or series in my channel. So if you right now watching, then subscribe my channel and like. So the theme name that delay CO. I know my pronunciation is wrong, but that's for tutorial I am saying that pronunciation. So don't worry, nothing you write not have. So that's why hash the author star code and then author UI hash if you have, and then you paste or create description. That's for showing, and text domain must have. So that's why I'm creating the text domain, the delay. Don't be scared to which text domain should be created. Don't think that which text domain do you want, then create as you wish. So I don't delete the text just for showing that I hashtag that tag. So if we see the theme has details, and now activate the theme, and then if we see, yeah, we got the themes, but the theme hasn't style. So this for we have to be enqueue the CSS and JS file. So thank you for watching the video, and next video you will be see the how to enqueue the CSS and JS file, and then we will see the design as like as the stable template. So thank you.